Another day, another trip, and this time we're going to Nepal. Yes, that's right. Can't wait to start the journey.
Slim beauty.
Slim beauty. So we have arrived in Nepal and we have done our currency exchange. We've got a new local SIM and now we are heading towards booking a cab. And then we are heading towards our Airbnb. See you! Hello! We've arrived, just got in.
So this is where we are staying for the next 3 days. Let's show you the place. So it's day 1 morning and we are heading out for breakfast. We'll find a restaurant, explore. Let's see.
So we have come for breakfast and we found out the only thing which is famous and available everywhere is chole puri and chole aloo. So that's what we have ordered.
So we're done with breakfast and we are back at our homestay. We'll relax for some time and head out to our next destination.
So we say bye to the cab. We're gonna take the ticket for the cable car and then we take this stairs and get to the entrance. Visibility is less, but I guess it will just keep getting better. The best time to come here is after rains, at around September, October. Look at the cable car we're gonna get into.
So our journey to the hills have begun. Mummy, how do you feel?
Yeah.
Scared?
No, it's
Sabu?
only going up to this.
I'm
No, it's
excited.
going up.
I've not yet enjoyed it yet. Let me enjoy.
First time in life, I'm sitting in first.
Yeah, see, they're waving back.
गया अभी उधर से अच्छा
उधर भी बन रहा है मम्मी.
अच्छा अच्छा ऐसा आ रहा है that
I'm actually getting scared, huh, guys?
Is it?
डर लग रहा है मेरे को. Scared of heights.
It's cakewalk.
कैसे जाएगा फ्लाइट में जाके अपन
फ्लाइट में तो सब दिखता नहीं है बाहर.
So we have arrived Oh, we have to get it out of the moving.
Look there and look that side. They look front and look at
Okay.
so we got down from the cable car. Now just exploring this place. There's a temple out here. Plus there's some restaurants. We'll see what there is. Do we know at what height we are right now? It's close to,
Mommy is listening.
I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, 2,500 meters. Wow.
And how cool this place is. Like I'm feeling like I'm actually standing inside a freezer.
Not freezer, I would say like
Cooler,
sitting in an AC room. Yeah.
Chiller, yeah.
Like around 18 degrees.
Yes, correct. Oh.
See, Mount Everest was supposed to be viewed from here, but because of lack of visibility, we can't see it. But hopefully tomorrow we can see it, Sabu.
You think so? Guys, this is the highest zip line in Kathmandu.
So you'll do it, right?
Yep, totally. Let's do it.
You cannot get scared.
What are you saying? Louder.
Yeah, never done it. Never done zip lining.
You'll be fine.
Bag de de Nishan.
I barely put my zip properly, however I zip line it.
Can you wait for us, please? See you, Uncle Nish. All the best. Nishan, careful, don't fall. He's going and my heart is beating. GoPro को हाथ तो थोड़ा ऊपर पकड़ो, नीचे जगह छोड़ो stick पे. Love you. You got this. Woo! Oh, he's loving it. I was very scared to see him going, but halfway through, his face said that it's all okay. But you never can judge after the Maldives experience.
So just done with my first zip line, and that was around 200 meters. So it took me around like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Now getting down, gonna give this to Sabu, and it'll be her turn. Let's see how scared she is. Now it's your turn.
I was worried that you will drop the GoPro.
No, that I was not worried. Actually, the fear was only till it started.
Acha.
Once I went down, the adrenaline took over.
Is it?
But then at the end also it was a bit scary because when I was approaching it, I was like facing the opposite side.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know what to expect there.
Okay.
You've done zipline before?
Never. This is the first time.
All the best.
Thank you. Looking at you, my heart was beating.
Yeah, starting mein thoda hai, but it's good.
Okay. Mom, do you want to say something?
Yeah, all the best.
A piece of advice?
Have an experience of zip line.
All the best, Sabu.
I need that.
You'll do well.
Oh, I can look at the view. It's a little dizzy.
You're on top of the world. Yay! That's fine.
Okay. Jesus, मेरे जो Yes. The cable car ride is over. But it was very scary for me.
So we've ordered our lunch. No, bhaiya. It's already watering. Your mouth is watering. Enjoy the food, guys.
Oh, it's yum. It's really good.
Nepali style. Okay, Sabu.
Huh? We're doing this.
Yes.
Are we?
We're going there.
Duck, duck.
The couple swing.
Duck, duck, duck.
एवरेज कितने लोग जाते हैं उतना ही करना भैया.
नहीं जा ले जा 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 जा
भैया
बस भैया बस.
एवरेज यही है क्या?
जा ना ये तो नजदीक है.
अच्छा ठीक है तुम बसोगे बसोगे.
Okay.
सबू जोर से पकड़ना. रुको पकड़ो दूसरा हाथ से उधर. तुमको पकड़ना पड़ेगा इधर. हाँ चलो जर्क होगा अभी. हाँ सबू जर्क होगा. यस रेडी. Sabu, I love you, Sabu. Wow. Whoa. What a view, yeah. Sabu, I love you, Sabu. Wow. वो स्टार्टिंग में तो झटका बता रही. So we're done with the activities up there, and now we are here to take the cable car, and which will take us down. After Chandragiri Hills, we have come to Thamel, which is one of the most happening place in Khatmandu. Tonight's dinner at the Tibetan Little Tibet.
So one veg gatuk, one veg dapao, and one samudasi less spicy.
Okay, thank you.
So after a lot of shopping and walking, we have come to this authentic Tibetan restaurant, and we have ordered some very fancy local dishes, and I have a feeling it's going to be very good. So let's see. Let's eat. Bon appetit.
We finished our dinner. Now we're back home.
What a crazy day we had there.
Yeah, totally. It was super adventurous. But hold on, tomorrow is even a bigger adventure.
Oh yes, tomorrow we're going to see Mount Everest.
And hopefully the weather and the visibility is good and we can view the Everest, the mighty Everest. So that will be super good, isn't it?
Yes, I'm excited to see it.
Yeah. And you will be watching that in the next video, so stay tuned.
मम्मी क्या बोल रही है?
मैं बोल रही हूँ वापस आने के लिए सीढ़ी लेने का ऑप्शन छोड़ दे, नहीं तो मैं उधर से जाके देख उधर जाना पड़ता है अपने को। देख सब लोग उधर चढ़ रहे हैं। इधर
ये केबल कार के लिए इधर
है
वो
ना?
लोग चढ़ के जा रहे हैं।
ओ सो स्मार्ट चढ़ के जा रहे हैं।